Hey cuties, this is Michelle and welcome back to another episode of the INCITalk. Today we're talking about an ingredient that is a jack of all trades and you've probably been hearing about it a lot lately. Yes, that's right. We are talking about niacinamide. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is niacinamide? You might have seen the words vitamin B3 or niacinamide in the ingredient list for products that are generally meant for brightening, for barrier repair, or even acne and oil control. What niacinamide really is just a form of vitamin B3 that's actually an essential nutrient for your skin. It's a water-soluble ingredient and it works in tandem with the natural substances inside your skin to give you a variety of benefits. So, niacinamide as an ingredient helps improve in a lot of different factors, including uneven skin tone, enlarged pores, inflamed skin, textured skin, and even in repairing the skin barrier. Another great thing about it is that it helps in protein development as well as regulating the sebum production. That is, it helps with acne as well. Since niacinamide is also an antioxidant, it helps protect your skin from environmental damage. And over time, it can even give your skin a nice healthy glow. Isn't that great? Now, let's talk about who can or should add niacinamide into their skincare routines. Since it's such a healing and versatile ingredient, niacinamide usually plays well with most other active ingredients. Some ingredients that it works especially well with include peptides, hyaluronic acid, and even exfoliating acids such as AHAs and BHAs. Another awesome thing about niacinamide is that it suits all skin types. So whether it is oily or dry or even sensitive, niacinamide has got your back. Because it's such a versatile ingredient, niacinamide is found in a variety of formulations, from face washes to toners to serums to moisturizers and more. Now 2 to 10% of concentration is effective depending on the intensity and how soon you want to see impact. Like with any other new active ingredients, make sure you patch test and take it slow. And if you're using niacinamide and vitamin C together, try to space them out between routines, such as using vitamin C in the AM and niacinamide in the PM, or vice versa. If you're looking for a serum recommendation, try out Plum's 10% niacinamide and rice water serum that packs a punch while being beginner friendly and great for sensitive skin. We're linking it down in the description. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And comment down below what ingredient we should cover next. See you. Bye.